Let's initiate and commence with the great name of Allah, who is the most gracious and the most merciful. I am Mr. Talha, and today we will going to discussing about the definition of adjective and some types of adjective. So first of all, I will define the definitions of adjective. So it is taken from Latin word which means to add something, and a second definition is a word or group of words to modify noun and pronoun. So if you understand this definition, so we need more to what the types of adjective. So first of all, possessive adjective. Possessive adjective are those adjective which is used to show position and ownership. They are my, his, her, our, their. My, his, her, our, their. Like for example, this is my car. And in this sentence, ma is a possessive adjective. The second definition, demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjective are those adjectives which is used to point out person, place, things, etc. They are this, that, this, those, such. Like for example, this is Ali. In this sentence, this is demonstrative adjective. The third definition, the distributive adjective. Distributive adjective are those adjective which is used to show a noun individual in the group. They are each, every, either, neither. Like for example, each has, each has, each has a badge. And in this sentence, which is distributive adjective. The first definition, interrogative adjective. Interrogative adjective are those adjective which is used to ask a question. They are which, what, whose. Like for example, what book do you read? And in this sentence, what is interrogative adjective? So you guys, do you have any problem or suggestion in this topic? So you can text me through our comment section. Wish you best of luck. See you in the next video. Wassalam.